Two-step word problems. Hector is going to play with his friends. He mixed 5.9 ounces of gummy bears, 6.42 ounces of Skittles, and 5.83 ounces of gummy worms. If he splits the candy mix evenly into 3 containers, how many ounces of the mix will be in each container? Step 1, we will need to infer from the context of the problem what we need to do. But for step 2, after we figure out what we need to do for step 1, it says if he splits the candy mix evenly into 3 containers, that means step 2 is going to be divide. Now we need to just figure out what step 1 is. So if it's asking once he splits the candy mix, that means he's mixing together all 3 of these candies. Well, if you mix together all 3 of the candies, that means you will be adding. So step 1 is to add. We have 5.9 ounces of gummy bears, 6.42 ounces of Skittles, and 5.83 ounces of gummy worms. We are going to add all 3 of those numbers together. When you add all 3 of those numbers together, you get 18.15 ounces of candy mix. Step 2 is to divide. In the word problem, it says if he splits the candy mix evenly into 3 containers, that means we are dividing by 3. That means each container will have 6.05 ounces of candy mix.